The purpose of today's episode is to just explain why this channel exists. So one of the reasons I even thought about starting a YouTube channel was I wanted a way to honor our men and women that have been killed in action in both OIF and OEF. I figured if I can make a channel and dedicate each episode to a man or woman who passed, it would be very, very meaningful to me. At the same time, if I can pass along any information to help anybody, it gives it a secondary purpose. So we'll jump right in here. Today's episode is going to be dedicated to Sergeant First Class Paul Smith, United States Army. Paul was killed in action on April 4th, 2003 during Operation Iraqi Freedom. Paul was posthumously awarded the Medal of Honor for his actions. For Paul and for all of our fallen, this is Killjoy Rehab. No fluff, no excuses, just ownership. We're building from the ground up, real foundations. That's the mission. So far, we've covered 4 things. Number 1, taking ownership of your problem. You are 95% of your solution. Number 2, getting 150 minutes of real movement per week. Number 3, preparing every night so that you can actually get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. And number 4, hydrating, drinking half your body weight in ounces of water. Those are pretty simple things. If you've suffered from any kind of chronic pain and you're willing to at least own your problem and make a few changes, that's where we're at. I've spent 15 years as a chiropractor watching the same story play out again and again. Most people say that they want to get better, but when it comes time to do the actual work, the daily stuff, very few are willing. They'd rather collect diagnoses, tell me about, everything wrong with them and wear their pain like a badge of honor and let the sick care system manage their symptoms for the rest of their lives. This channel is not for them. Killjoy Rehab exists for the 10% who are still willing to fight, the ones who are tired of living in pain, tired of being weak, and ready to get back in the driver's seat of their own health. The truth is simple and harsh. Your problem is your own, and only you can truly change it. No doctor, no therapist, no surgery, no quick adjustment, no quick pill can out-treat habits. The sick care system in this country is phenomenal when you're broken, but terrible at building strong, resilient humans. It rewards sickness with attention, medications, and sympathy. It does not reward ownership and discipline. I'm here to help the ones who want to rebuild their foundation again, starting from the ground up, so they can battle musculoskeletal pain, move better, feel stronger, and live like warriors instead of victims. If you're someone who wants to stay in the sick care mindset and let the system manage you, that's your choice. This channel is not for you. But if you're ready to own your problem, remove unnecessary load, build real capacity, restore what nature gave you, experience reality, and take control, then welcome to Killjoy Rehab. This is education and execution. The work is yours. Own the work, own the pain, own the win. For Paul and for all of our fallen warriors, Killjoy out.